Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how you can run SAS code from the terminal. So to enable this demonstration, I'm going to use a tool called Gitpod. So if you go to any, say, SAS.js repo, so like template jobs, and put gitpod.io/hash there, you can create a workspace using Gitpod, which is a cloud-hosted VS Code environment. You don't have to use Gitpod. You can also just clone the repository and run locally. If you do that, you'll need to install npm, Node Package Manager. It's the runtime for SAS.js. So yeah, when that loads, you get a VS Code. Also, when this loads, it runs this command, npm install SASjs CLI. The CLI, the command line interface, is what we'll use to connect to Viya for. So to do a connection, we need to do an authorization. So SASjs auth is the command, and that will have a series of prompts. The first thing it would like is the location of your Viya for server. So you can just paste that in there. Just allow that. Without the trailing slash, that's important. And then you enter your client ID, which would be hack client, and then the secret, which is hack secret. And then you get a link. So if you click that link, you get an authorization code, copy that back into the terminal, and that is done. That's done. So we've now set up something called a target. So this is my access token, refresh token for this Viya target. The Viya target is defined in the SAS.js config. So default target is called Viya. This is the server URL. And these are the config. I won't get too much into the SAS.js config because right now all we want to do is run some SAS. So I'll create a file called runme.sas. I'll put hello hackers right there, hit save. And then I'm going to run SAS.js run command, runme.sas. So that is going to take this SAS program and then push that to the Viya compute server for execution. Obviously, this SAS code can be anything you want it to be. So yeah, that's now connected to a session. It's created a session. It's now submitted that SAS code, and then it's polling for the results. Here we go. And then the log is written here. Hello, hackers. If you've got any questions on that, feel free to leave a comment.